Welcome to Session 19 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study polynomial modeling. The focus is to use polynomial functions to model area, volume, revenue, and constrained geometric situations. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Define the variable before writing formulas. 2. Express changing quantities in one variable. 3. Interpret the model and its domain. Polynomial models appear when quantities multiply. Area multiplies 2 dimensions, volume multiplies 3, and revenue multiplies price by quantity. The main skill is translation. Define the variable, rewrite every changing quantity using that variable, then build the polynomial. A rectangle has length 5 more than twice its width. Let the width be x. Then the length is 2x plus 5, so the area is x times 2x plus 5. If the area is 63, solve 2x squared plus 5x minus 63 equals 0. Factoring gives 2x minus 9 times x plus 7. The positive width is 9/2 and the length is 14. For an open box made by cutting squares of side x from a 20 by 12 rectangle, the height is x. The new length is 20 minus 2x, and the new width is 12 minus 2x. The volume model is x times 20 minus 2x times 12 minus 2x. The context requires 0 less than x less than 6. Your turn. If width is x and length is x plus 8, what is the area model? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Define the variable before writing equations. Models often come from multiplying changing quantities. Solve only after the model is built. Context can limit the domain. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is that small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.